Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Figstack. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in figstack.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Figstack website. Now, in order to create a new account, from the homepage you can directly click on your Google account or your GitHub account to get started for a shortcut, or you can enter your name and your email address by yourself and then type in your desired password. After entering all of these, click on Start for Free and now you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the login portal, click on Sign Up underneath the Continue button and you will be taken into the sign up page once again. Type in your desired email address followed by your password and then click on Continue. You will then be asked to check your inbox for a confirmation email sent by Figstack. So check your inbox and click on the verification link within. And now you will successfully be signed up and ready to use your Figstack account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Figstack. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.